Hi. Have you ever wondered that despite promising to yourself that this time you will speak up for yourself, setting boundaries, stop tolerating certain behavior or criticism, you somehow end up doing exactly the opposite. You stay silent when you are hurt. You over explain yourself just to being understood. You apologize even when you haven't done anything wrong. You tolerate emotional neglect, hoping things will improve. You just try to maintain harmony all around you, and you sacrifice your own need just to keep the pace, and one day you realize that you slowly disappeared from your own relationship. Your confidence is shrinking, and most people think that this is because they are weak, they are needy, or just lack of self-respect, but I don't think this is true. In my experience, many of these patterns have very little to do with willpower. They often begin much earlier in your life. At some point in your life, your mind may have learned that expressing your need, creating conflict, disappointment, criticism, rejection, or emotional distance. So your subconscious adapted. It learned that if I stay agreeable, I'll be accepted. If I keep others happy, I'll feel safe. If I suppress my feeling, I can avoid conflict. And what once helped you survive emotionally can later become a very pattern that keep you stuck in the same relationship cycle. And that is why you don't consciously decide to abandon yourself. You just don't wake up thinking ki, today I will ignore my need, or today I will tolerate disrespect, or today I will seek validation. No, this doesn't happen this way. You simply repeat an old emotional blueprint that still believes approval equals safety. And until that blueprint is understood, relationships often become exhausting. You keep attracting the same emotionally unavailable partner, fear difficult conversation, become anxious when someone withdraws, or feel guilty whenever you choose yourself, whenever you prioritize yourself. And this is the work I do through inner architecture reprogramming, not merely teaching some communication skill or boundary setting, but helping people to understand the deeper architecture from which their thought, emotion, reaction, relationship, and all these pattern emerges. Because when you begin changing the inner architecture, you no longer have to force boundaries. You naturally stop abandoning yourself. And in if this feel familiar to you, if you resonate with this, I invite you to join the webinar of 14 days pattern breaking challenge, or you can work one on one with me. Sometimes what look like relationship problem is actually a subconscious survival pattern asking just to be understood. So I want you, there is a comment section given below. I want you to just write one of your pattern which you have been suffering from a lot, one of your pain point, and I will try to personalize. Select a selected participant can get a personalized inner architecture review from my side. So thank you.